Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see a quick review about one of the power bank called Oraimo Power Bank. See here, this is called Oraimo Power Bank. See the name of this company. This is the name of this company, Oraimo. Okay, ORAIMO, and it's 10,000 mAH power bank, and maximum retail price here rupees 1699, so about 1700. I have purchased it for 1500. Maximum retail price 1700, 200 less I have purchased. But see the quality here. I have only used this power bank up to 5 months, that too not frequently, but see the result here. Wow, what a damage. Automatically this power bank got very damage, that is bulging happened here. Okay, inside this is called battery. Okay, actually this is battery and it is bulged. Okay, I am further tearing it. See, this is the battery, and see the battery, very bad, very bad quality. So this is the circuit from the battery. This is a circuit like charging, refilling, etc. Okay, but I would not recommend this Oraimo power bank because it's very low quality, not a branded one, so your money will be wasted. Okay, so don't purchase this type of local brand. Okay, I will come up with another super brand in this price range, like 1500. Capacity is 10,000 mAh. Okay, friends, we'll see in the next video. Bye.